I'm Matthew Steinhauser, the Chief Engineer here at FIMS Firearms, and today I'm here to talk about our straight pull bolt-action bullpup rifles and the advantages they have over others. The gun pictured here has a 20-inch barrel. It's chambered in .308 and 6.5 Creedmoor. It has an overall length of 32.5 inches and a weight of 7.5 pounds. Because of the bullpup configuration, the balance is incredible. This isn't something you can achieve with a normal bolt-action gun. They're normally very front-heavy. Bullpup rifles normally suffer in the trigger department, and that's because either the hammer or the sear is going to be back here where the bolt is, and your trigger's going to be up front here. I can't tell you how we did it, but we solved that problem. Our trigger does not swing, it comes straight back like a 1911. The trigger itself has a full range of adjustment from weight, travel. You can go from a single stage to a dual stage. The problem with making a bullpup bolt action is the bolt would go through your shoulder. What we've done is put the charging handle up front, and we've gone from a rotary bolt to a straight pull. The bolt only has to come back and forward, and in fact, it's spring assisted. You just pull and release. Normally, a bolt action has 6 fine motor functions to cycle the bolt. This causes the gun to move and you to move a little bit, depending on how good you are. Here, pay attention to my cheek. The gun does not move. The action is a very short throw, and the gun is extraordinarily stable while you're operating it. Here we have one of our pistols. This has a 10-inch barrel, and you can see it's a little bit shorter than the bullpup, but you got to remember that this isn't in a fireable state. You have to deploy the stock, and when you do, they're essentially the same length. Meanwhile, this has a 16-inch barrel. It can reach out over 1,000 yards. Good luck with this. Your barrel is completely free-floated, and it's cryogenically interference fit with the upper receiver. We freeze the barrel and heat up the upper, shrinking the overall dimension on the barrel and expanding the bore on the upper to allow them to fit together. And then when they cool down, it is nearly a welded fitment. You can shoot it without a barrel nut. So this is a .308 bullpup with a 16-inch barrel. It has a 26.5-inch overall length. Something I want to show you are the adjustable cheek rests. Now, the guns will ship with several different heights, and if you want to change them, it's as simple as removing the stock and sliding the cheek rest off and putting a new one on, depending on what sort of optic you want to run. If you like what you see here or you want to buy one, you can stop by our website, FIMSFirearms.com. These are going into production now.